अगर मैं कहूँ इस मुश्किल दिखने वाले सवाल का जवाब सिर्फ एक लाइन में मिल सकता है और ये सवाल मैथमेटिक्स ओलंपियाड में टॉपर भी फंसा देता है, तो वीडियो को अंत तक जरूर देखना।
Okay, so we are going to start perimeter and area. Okay, first of all we have to understand what is perimeter. पहले perimeter को समझ लेते हैं बेटा अपन क्या होती है perimeter. Perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary. Okay, perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. Okay, perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure. Okay, boundary of a closed figure. Okay, for example we can take the example as if I am having this type of diagram. Okay, this type of diagram. Okay, and the distance of this diagram is, it is 3 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, it is 2 centimeter, and it is 2 centimeter, sorry, it is 3 centimeter, and it is 2 centimeter. Okay, so what is perimeter of this diagram? What is the perimeter of the diagram? So we have to add all the sides. First of all we will add this first side. कौन सा साइड को ऐड करेंगे? This 3 plus 2 plus 2 plus 3 plus 2. ओके, अपन क्या करेंगे, इन सभी डिस्टेंस को क्या करेंगे, ऐड करेंगे. वी विल ऐड दिस ऑल द डिस्टेंस, देन वी विल गेट द perimeter. So what will the sum? 2 plus 3 is 5, 5 plus 2 is 7, 7 plus 2 is 9, 9 plus 3 is 12. Okay, so 12 centimeter will be the perimeter of this diagram. ठीक है, means we can say that it is the sum of all the parts, it is the sum of all the sides of the diagram, Okay, so according to this we can say that perimeter is the distance covered along the boundary of a closed figure, So also we can say that if we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle, okay, if we have to find the perimeter of a rectangle, perimeter of a rectangle. Okay, so we know the properties of rectangle. Properties of rectangle can be given as, this is the diagram of rectangle. ये rectangle का diagram ऐसे होता है ना बेटा. So we can take the rectangle as 5 centimeter, and this is 3 centimeter, and this is also 3 centimeter. Okay, so perimeter of rectangle we can add all the sides. What it's called? It called length. It is also called length. And what it called? It called width. It is also called width. Okay, so if we have to find the perimeter, so what we'll do, L plus B plus L plus B. perimeter is equal to this L plus B plus L plus B. Okay, so what is the value of L? What is the value of L here? L is 5 plus 3 plus 5 plus 3. Okay, so what is the sum? What is the sum? Sum can given as 5 plus 3 8, 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 8 16 centimeter. We found the perimeter as 16 centimeter. Perimeter as 16 centimeter. Perimeter as 16 centimeter. हम लोगों को इसका पेरीमीटर कैसे मिल गया? 16 सेंटीमीटर. बट वी ऑल्सो नो द फॉर्मूला ऑफ द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ रेक्टेंगल. सो फॉर्मूला कम फ्रॉम, फॉर्मूला कहाँ से आया है देखते हैं अपन. फॉर्मूला कैसे आया है, कैसे फॉर्मूला बना है वो हम देखते हैं. सो वी हैव हियर L and L plus L we can write as L plus L 2L. Can I write 2L? लिख सकता हूँ 2L. L plus L 2L I can write, and B plus B I can write 2B. ठीक है, B plus B I can write 2B. Okay, then I am finding 2 is common here. 2 यहाँ पर कॉमन है, तो अपन क्या करेंगे, 2 बाहर साइड लिखेंगे एंड ब्रैकेट देन L plus B. Can I write it like this? Can I write it like this? 2L plus B, 2 bracket L plus B. Yes, I can write. So see, I can write it like this. So the formula of perimeter of a rectangle, can be given as perimeter of rectangle can be given as 2L plus B, where L is equal to length and B is equal to width. Okay, B is equal to width. Understood? This is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. It is the formula of perimeter of a rectangle. Now we will find the perimeter of a square. Perimeter of a square. Okay, perimeter of a square can be given as, first of all we will draw the diagram of square. We are having the diagram of square. It looks like this. Okay, so we know all sides of a square is equal. Okay, all sides are equal. Okay, all sides are equal. As for example, if I am having the side of this square as 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 4 centimeter and 4 centimeter. If I am having all side as 4 centimeter, so if I have to find the perimeter of the square, so how I will find? Perimeter is equal to, I can write as 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4. What is this? What is 4? It is 4 plus 4 plus 4 will be 16 centimeter. Okay, so what is this? 4 is side plus side plus side plus side. Okay, so can I write this side as 4 multiplied by side? 4 मल्टीप्लाई बाय साइड। कैन आई राइट इट लाइक दिस? क्या मैं इसे ऐसे लिख सकता हूं? हाँ, मैं लिख सकता हूं। सो वी कैन राइट द पेरीमीटर ऑफ अ स्क्वायर, पेरीमीटर ऑफ स्क्वायर is equal to 4 multiply by side. 4 multiply by side. Perimeter of square can be given as 4 multiply by side. Understood? Now we will solve the question answers. Okay, we will solve the question answers. Okay, so for solving the question answer, we have to understand, we have to learn the formula. Okay, so first of all we are having the exercise 6.1. Exercise 6.1 is given as first question number first is given as find the perimeter of the following. First, find the perimeter. We have to find the perimeter. First, A is given as a rectangle of length 16 centimeter and width 10 centimeter. Length 16 centimeter and width is 10 centimeter. So what is the formula for perimeter of a rectangle? Perimeter of rectangle can be given as 2 multiply by L plus B. 2 multiply by L plus B. What is L here? L is given as 16 centimeter. Length is given as 16 centimeter and breadth is given as 10 centimeter. So 2 multiply by 16 plus 10. Okay, 2 multiply by 16 plus 10. So we can write 2 multiply by 16 plus 10 will be 26. 16 plus 10 will be 26. Okay, so 26 twos are 52 centimeter. It is 52 centimeter. So we can write the answer as perimeter of rectangle is equal to 52 centimeter. Perimeter of rectangle is equal to 52 centimeter. Okay beta, perimeter of rectangle is equal to 52 centimeter. Okay dears. Okay beta, so it is given us that a rectangle of length 16 centimeter and width is 10 सेंटीमीटर. एक रेक्टेंगल है जिसकी लेंथ कितनी दी है अपन को? 16 सेंटीमीटर की दी हुई है और ब्रेथ कितनी दी हुई है अपन को? ब्रेथ कितना दिया हुआ है? 10 सेंटीमीटर का. ओके, सो वी नो द फॉर्मूला. हम लोगों को फॉर्मूला पता है. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज इक्वल टू 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय L प्लस B. पेरीमीटर ऑफ रेक्टेंगल इज 2 मल्टीप्लाई बाय L प्लस B.